Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi A5 faster. First, let's talk about some foundational upgrades. A performance air intake can significantly improve your engine's ability to breathe, allowing for more efficient combustion. Pairing this with a high-flow exhaust system will further enhance engine breathing and provide a more aggressive sound. Finally, an engine software tune, or ECU remapping, is a crucial step to unlock hidden power by optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing, often adding 20 to 50 horsepower. Moving on to more significant engine performance enhancements, upgrading your turbocharger or supercharger can provide a dramatic boost in horsepower and torque. To support this, a larger intercooler is essential to keep intake air temperatures low, ensuring consistent power delivery. For those pushing extreme power, reinforcing internal engine components like pistons and connecting rods becomes necessary to maintain reliability and prevent damage under increased stress. Beyond raw engine power, optimizing your Audi A5's handling and aerodynamics is key for overall speed. Performance suspension components, such as coilovers or sport springs, will significantly reduce body roll and improve cornering stability. Lighter wheels paired with high-performance tires enhance grip and reduce unsprung weight, making the car feel more agile. Additionally, aerodynamic elements like a rear spoiler or front splitter can reduce drag and increase downforce at higher speeds. For advanced modifications, consider upgrading your braking system with larger rotors and multi-piston calipers to match the increased speed with superior stopping power. Reducing overall vehicle weight by replacing heavy components with lighter alternatives, such as carbon fiber parts, will also improve acceleration and handling. Finally, remember that consistent and meticulous maintenance, including regular oil changes and inspections, is absolutely crucial to ensure all your performance upgrades operate reliably and efficiently for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.